Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get approved for option trading on Robinhood application. Now step 1 is just open the Robinhood application in your mobile phone, and once opened you'll be seeing this home section. So just click on the profile section or the profile button from the below right side, and once you click on the profile button you will be seeing an interface like this one. So from here what you can do is just click on these three lines which are on the upper left corner, and once you click here you will be seeing a menu called investing, transfers, statements and history. So make sure to choose the first option, which is called investing. And once you're into the investing, just click on it and make sure to scroll down and find this option called enable option trading. So once you see this option, make sure to click on enable option trading. And once you click on enable option trading, so they will ask you to get started with option trading in your individual account. So just click on continue, and you just need to give some information. Just click on continue, and they will ask you, do you know how to enter an option spread? So you can choose the first one, like I have entered a spread before, or know how to enter one, or you can just click on the second one if that is your choice and you do not know, I'm not sure how to enter a spread. So just click on the first one. Like in my case, I will click on the first one. And once you click here, they will ask you to click on just, this is basically agreement. Just click on I agree. And once you click here, as you can see, like the application approved. So it might take a few it might take a few days to your application for your application approval. So wait for it, give them all the information like your name, the details that they are asking for. You can just give all those details, and after that they will review it, and you will see a page like this one, application approved. You're all set to start trading options in your individual account for buying calls and puts, like selling covered calls, selling cash covered puts, and exercising options. So that is how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.